Right. So while that is one aspect that we've already seen play out, let's also bring to our viewers another very matter that's coming in within the parliamentary discussions at this given point. This is with regards to, and this is breaking news, viewers, that we're bringing to you, wherein Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary brings pet dog inside the parliament. That seems to be another fresh flashpoint within the parliament at this given point as the winter session commences. Congress's some bark and bite inside the parliament jibe at the MPs. Congress's Renuka Chaudhary has come out to say small, harmless puppy will not be biting. Modi government doesn't like animals. That is the very remark that's been given by the Congress MP. Let's in fact listen into the entire part of what she said, the entirety of what she said at this given point on this very matter before we proceed with the discussion on it.
जानवर को पसंद नहीं करते है ना सरकार। गूंगा जानवर गाड़ी में चले गए तो इनको क्या तकलीफ है? काटने वाला कुत्ता दिखा क्या? इतनी सी तो है, काटने वाले और है पार्लियामेंट में, कुत्ते नहीं।
सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न
कौन सी सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न है?
उसका भी पास बनता है क्या?
अच्छा बना दो, बाकी तो हम क्या बोले, बना दो पास उसका।
उनको एहसास नहीं कि लोकसभा राज्यसभा देश की जनता की भावनाओं को प्रतिबिंबित करने वाली है। वहाँ पे अपने डॉग को लेके आए, उस पर सवाल किया जाए तो उस पर जिस तरह का बयान दे रहे हैं, तो देश को शर्मसार कर रहे हैं, अपने खुद लोकतंत्र का पे कुठाराघात कर रहे हैं और इस पार्लियामेंट का अपमान कर रहे हैं। उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Well, so this is the latest that we're bringing to you, the latest episode, one might say, and Aishwarya continues to be with us. Aishwarya, I think one word is extremely repetitive this time in the very first day of the winter session, that is drama, and that seems a buzz right on day one of the winter session. This time, the flashpoint seems to be Renuka Chaudhary bringing in her dog within the parliament. I think there's a rule there that concerns security guidelines within the parliamentary premises in terms of whether pets can be brought in or not. Now, she has said that this animal, she's been a very vocal activist, one might also say, when the entire street dog matter took place in Delhi. And she said the Modi government doesn't like dogs. And those inside will rather be barking and biting, not this harmless puppy. That is the reference that's been brought in by her while addressing the issue. And the opposition MPs, that is the BJP MPs, have already started blazing their guns at her and the very action.
Well, so Parliament, making sure that you follow all these kind of rules, especially the security rules, and something that all the Congress MPs know about. And let me tell you, the BJP will be pointing fingers at this and saying that there is a basic decorum that you need to maintain. You are coming into Parliament, people have voted for you, you are out here, so you need to maintain, follow those rules and maintain that decorum. Those are the visuals that we are showing our viewers at the moment. Very, very clearly, this is the car of Renuka Chaudhary and her pet. Inside the car, she is saying that it's harmless, but just imagine if everyone starts doing this, it will be utter chaos in the parliament. So this is something that the BJP will be looking at. And let me tell you, we could also see some kind of guidelines coming in or rules coming in after this thing that we are seeing on our screens at the moment, so that there is also a possibility that the security might come out with do's and don'ts, because if one MP can do it, then the others would also say that allow us also, because a lot of MPs actually do have pets. So big question there. The BJP obviously saying that do you even respect the parliament? That's the big question coming in from the BJP at this moment. So, yeah.
I mean, yes, all drama and all the particular flashpoints aside, there is a basic decorum that the members of the parliament do have to adhere to when they are in fact coming into the parliamentary premises, and that is the very issue that we are looking at here.